In the industry, of course, like I feel like the wedding industry is booming and will always get better, bigger, better. अब आप देख रहे हैं अंबानी wedding is happening
Yes.
and the entire world has come to a standstill to see किसने क्या पहना है and कौन आ रहा है जा रहा है. Literally to wrap it up, I always feel that you should do what you love. It is art, right? It is like painting a canvas. The canvas is my face. I'll do that with a smile on my face. Definitely what you create is in your hands. आज मैं आपके साथ बैठ के यहाँ पे बात कर रही हूँ. It was my choice. We would be going out anywhere. I was that person in the girls के group में कि I'll put your eyeliner, do your eyeshadow. I was that girl. I think started exploring more.
Yeah.
So that is something that we do a lot.
आज की मेरी पॉडकास्ट के मेहमान बहुत ही स्पेशल हैं. शी इज़ अ मेकअप आर्टिस्ट. उनका अचीवर एटीट्यूड और यूनिक बिजनेस स्टाइल कैन टीच यू अ लॉट ऑफ थिंग्स अबाउट मेकअप एंड मेकअप इंडस्ट्री. इन टुडेज पॉडकास्ट यू गोना लर्न, laugh and enjoy her presence thoroughly. Please welcome Sahiba K. Anand on the show. Thank you so much, Sahiba, for being the part of the show. I am so glad to have you.
Thank you, Monica. Thank you for having me.
Yeah, how are you?
I'm good. How are you?
I am doing very well and I'm so glad to see you and feeling so excited to talk to you.
Same.
Yeah. Sahiba, so बहुत कमाल का काम आप कर रहे हो बीइंग अ मेकअप आर्टिस्ट. लेकिन मैं आपको पीछे ले जाने वाली हूँ उस टाइम में जब आप नर्ड थे, सुपर नर्ड थे एंड यू लव्ड मैथमेटिक्स एंड यू डिसाइडेड टू परस्यू फाइनेंसेस. सो लेट्स टॉक अबाउट दैट पार्ट ऑफ योर लाइफ.
So I was in Delhi. So education wise, my high school was in Delhi. British school जो New Delhi में है. I did my I passed out of there, and वहाँ पे it was I had PCM, so it was physics, chemistry, math, computers all throughout. Because I think उस time ना I had to prove, मेरे को लगता था to the family, to the society कि आप यहाँ डॉक्टर बन रहे हो या इंजीनियर बन रहे हो. And I said नहीं मैं PCM तो करूँगी just because
You
I
wanted
can.
to prove.
Yeah,
Okay.
just because I can, not because I liked it also. And my father, I remember, said कि just because बाकी लोग कर रहे हैं आपको ये करने की ज़रूरत नहीं है. तो then I said कि चलो I really enjoy math. मैं मतलब mathematics अभी भी बहुत enjoy करती हूँ. I still remember calculus, differentiation, integration, all that. But I chose to continue with math and I did my undergrad in mathematics. So I did math like a major, BSc. From Vancouver, UBC, University of British Columbia. So I was there for 4 years and then I added a minor in commerce. So I did 1.5 degree. तो मतलब एक मेजर के साथ मैंने माइनर डिग्री भी ऐड करी बिकॉज आई रियलाइज कि सिर्फ मैथमेटिक्स पे you'll either become a professor or you'll get into more scientific version of it.
Right.
So I didn't want to become a scientist also. So I said more practically it makes sense कि if I get into finance, so I did business studies, econ, statistics, all that also I added. And then I ended up doing my masters from University of London.
Okay.
So that was my journey of education.
Then how could you explore makeup? Makeup कैसे आया आपकी लाइफ में?
I think makeup एक वो चीज़ थी जो जैसे होता है ना art, like you really enjoy doing that. So makeup मेरे लिए वो था कि it was part of my life. And growing up, like British school time, जितने जो लोग मेरे को जानते हैं growing up time, I was very different. Little heavier on the heavier side, big like glasses, long hair, and as I said, a nerd. So unko bhi like to see me now, they think there's two different people. But college time was the time when I think started exploring more, learning more about myself. And जो मेरे friends थे in college, they literally, how your friends आपके मिरर होते हैं, like they tell you sometimes जो आपको भी नहीं दिखता.
Right,
so
absolutely.
अगर we would be going out anywhere, I was that person in the girls के group में कि I'll put your eyeliner, do your eyeshadow. I was that girl.
Okay.
But after I got married, after I did my masters, I did try my hand on hedge funds. तो मैंने almost 1 साल hedge funds में भी काम करा कि finance, like I'll
Yes.
continue doing what I've studied. It was very good pocket money in the sense इट वाज अ गुड पे,
Yeah.
बट मुझे ऐसे लगता था लैपटॉप खोला, काम करा, लैपटॉप बंद करा, एंड आई एम नॉट रियली मीटिंग एनी पीपल, मे बी
Yes.
आई एम अ पीपल्स पर्सन.
Yes.
सो आई फाउंड इट लाइक मेरे को एक न्यू फाउंड रिस्पेक्ट मिली फॉर द पीपल हु डू दैट, who are going to the office, working, like you know, on their laptop and then coming back, and I was like, okay, this is not for me for sure.
Okay.
So my husband also said कि अगर आपके पास knack है, flair है, you are good at it naturally, तो why don't you try it professionally? And मैंने यही सोचा कि मैं एक intense course करती हूँ, because self makeup is different, but when you have to learn it professionally, you need your kit, you need, you know, you need to know how to deal with clients, सारा कुछ वो learn करने के लिए it's good to go through a little intensive course.
Yes.
So I did like a 3-month course, and that I think again, as I said, उसमें there was, I just thought worst case scenario.
Yes.
कि इससे ज़्यादा क्या होएगा, मेरा मेकअप का नॉलेज बढ़ेगा.
क्योंकि बहुत लोग ना इसी फियर से कर नहीं पाते हैं, जैसे आपने बोला ना, दिस इज द प्रॉब्लम.
Yes.
हम बहुत, ये जो 90s 80s के बच्चे हैं उनके साथ ये
Yeah.
दिक्कत रहा है.
Yeah.
तो हमको लगता है कि यार वी स्टॉप आवरसेल्व्स
Yeah.
कि नहीं कर सकते हैं, इतना बड़ा रिस्क कैसे लें, अभी
Yeah.
इतना एजुकेशन में इन्वेस्ट कर दिया, फिर से
Yes.
चेंज करें.
Yes.
तो दिस थिंग, ये जो आपका एक्सपीरियंस था ये अच्छा रहा, दैट यू कुड मेक अ स्विच, आप कर
Yes.
पाए, वो जो
Yeah.
स्विच था वो आपने
एक
करा.
तो the one like you know aspect is कि back in the day, when I say back in the day, I'm saying like 15 years back, there were certain professions जो profession नहीं माने जाते थे. वो कहते थे कि अच्छा आपकी hobby है, even art I feel, ऐसे लगता था कि अच्छा बच्चे को पढ़ाई नहीं करनी, उसको ना painting करा के art course में करा दो.
Yes.
But if you really have a flair, there is so much you can do. But आपको like you know, you have to put your 100% and figure out कि what you really enjoy doing. If you love doing it, you know there is no end to it at all. That is there. जब मैंने ये Blossom Coacher Academy का I did like a very intense course. So I thought to myself, worst case scenario, I will become even more knowledgeable about makeup. Best case scenario, I will be able to become a makeup artist. तो मेरे को लग रहा था कि जैसे एजुकेशन में आप कभी भी you don't lose anything. You will always end up using that education. कहीं ना कहीं आपको help ज़रूर करेगी. So I feel it was the same thing with this course. And once I did that, then I started doing shoots. From shoots, I started meeting like you know more fashion designers, photographers, hairstylists, then celebrity hairstylists. उनके साथ link up करके I met people like Parnya Qureshi. I remember I think it was the designer was Anupama Dayal, if I'm not wrong, and I didn't know her because I was very young and very new. And हमारी एक बहुत बड़ी Harper's magazine की shoot चल रही थी. And I was sitting. I'm तो like a young like you know girl and just like you know sitting on the side जब shoot चल रहा है. She came and she was like standing next to me. And she's standing and I'm sitting. And she's asking me, आप makeup team में हो? I said हाँ जी मैं makeup team में हूँ. And I'm like और आप? Like you know. And I had no
Yeah.
idea. And then she says ये मेरे कपड़े हैं. And I'm just like.
Oh my
Okay,
God,
like
taken
you know,
aback.
it's like so. Obviously, the more you work, the more people you meet. I would have never recognized her. I know her brand, but I would have never recognized
Yes,
her.
right.
तो उसके बाद, you know, the more and more you work, the more people you meet, your exposure level changes, your confidence building happens. So obviously, as I said, अगर आपका उसमें interest है, तो आप 12 घंटे के shoot में भी स्माइल के साथ खड़े रहोगे. अगर आपका उसमें इंटरेस्ट नहीं है, आप 2 घंटे के बाद भी बोलोगे
It will become boring for you. Yes, right. वो स्पार्क ढूंढना मुश्किल हो जाता है फिर.
Yes, that is true.
साहिबा, हम किसी भी प्रोफेशन में बहुत ऊपर भी उठ सकते हैं और हम एवरेज लेवल पे भी काम कर सकते हैं. सो व्हाट अकॉर्डिंग टू यू इज द डिफरेंस बिटवीन बीइंग एवरेज, बीइंग मीडियोकर एंड बीइंग द बेस्ट यू कैन डू?
So इसमें मैंने आपको पहले भी एक वर्ड यूज करा था, which is USP. राइट. सो आपको अपनी USP ढूंढनी पड़ती है, विच आई थिंक दैट इज द मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंट थिंग. इफ यू डोंट नो व्हाई यू आर स्पेशल, आप किसी को कैसे प्रूव करेंगे दैट यूर स्पेशल? सो देयर इज अ फ्यू एस्पेक्ट्स इन दैट. अगर मैं सिर्फ मेकअप इंडस्ट्री एंड मेकअप आर्टिस्ट के पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू से मैं I'll explain. So one thing, as I said, is a good certification, which means कि आपने कहाँ पे learn करा है, ताकि आपके बेसिक्स क्लियर हैं अबाउट प्रोडक्ट नॉलेज, अबाउट स्किन, अबाउट डिफरेंट फेस टाइप्स, अबाउट डिफरेंट इवन मच्योर्ड स्किन के साथ कैसे करना है. ऑल दैट यू विल, योर बेसिक नॉलेज विल कम from the course that you've done. So that is the first level, which is very important. Second is your makeup products, so which is your kit. Now it doesn't mean कि आपने 1 लाख की या 50,000 की किट से ही शुरू करना है कि मेरे पॉकेट नहीं अलाउ करता तो मैं मेकअप आर्टिस्ट बन नहीं सकती क्योंकि मैं किट ही नहीं बना सकती. सो योर किट शुड ऑल्सो स्टार्ट विद अ बेसिक थिंग. द प्रोडक्ट क्वालिटी शुड बी वेरी गुड, बट इट डजेंट मैटर कि आपके पास 50 पैलेट्स हैं. यू डोंट नीड. You start with a basic thing. So once you have that and you know कि why I'm saying the product quality is more important than the quantity, because आप किसी के face पे मेकअप कर रहे हैं.
Right.
तो अगर आप अपने products को खुद vouch नहीं कर सकते, that is again like you know it sort of loses the purpose. So second is that. Third, as I mentioned before, confidence building. So your confidence will only come from exposure. So जब तक आपने कोर्स भी कर लिया, आपने किट भी क्रिएट कर ली, बट आपको लग रहा है कि अगर किसी ने मुझे बोला विंग्ड आईलाइनर करना है, आप कहते हैं हाँ मैं कर लूँगा, लेकिन कर लूँगा या कर लूँगी, बट मेरे को 2 या 3 बार ही प्रैक्टिस मतलब करना पड़ेगा. सो योर क्लाइंट विल नॉट हैव दैट पेशेंस. अगर आपने उन पे जो भी करना है वो फर्स्ट टाइम इट शुड बी लाइक वाओ. हाउ विल इट बी लाइक वाओ? ओनली इफ यू हैव डन इट 100,000 टाइम्स. सो देन आप आंख बंद करके भी वो चाहे बोलें स्मोकी आई करना है, ग्लिटरी आई करना है, जो भी करना है, यू विल बी लाइक ओके ऑफ कोर्स आई कैन डू इट. वो घर मन में जैसे ही एक डाउट आ जाएगा कि ओ माय गॉड इन्होंने तो मुझे बोल दिया विंग आईलाइनर करने को, मेरी तो विंग्स हमेशा टेढ़ी मेढ़ी होती हैं, अब मेरा क्या होएगा? तो आपको पता है इफ़ यू आर नर्वस दैट मीन्स यू हैव नॉट रीच दैट कॉन्फिडेंस लेवल. सो आई फील इन द बिगिनिंग आप जिस पे भी मेकअप कर सकते हैं, वन शुड डू build your portfolio. कई बार you will not get paid also for some collaborations or some shoots. Do them for free. It's okay. आपको ये हेल्प उसमें हो रहा है कि योर पोर्टफोलियो इज गेटिंग बिल्ट. वंस यू से कि मैंने ये भी शूट करा है, इसके ये पिक्चर्स हैं, देन यू योर सेल्फ विल बी लाइक अ लिटिल मोर कॉन्फिडेंट. देन यू कैन अप्रोच अनदर डिजाइनर एंड से कि दिस इज व्हाट आई डिड. दे विल नॉट आस्क यू डिड यू गेट पेड, बट इफ दे आर हैप्पी विद योर पिक्चर्स दे कैन सी योर वर्क. यू नो योर वर्क स्पीक्स फॉर इटसेल्फ. आप तो अब बहुत समझा सकते हो मैं बहुत अच्छा मेकअप करती हूँ, मेरे प्रोडक्ट्स बहुत अच्छे हैं, बट अगर आपकी लुक्स साफ नहीं लग रहे, ब्लेंडिंग नहीं अच्छी से हुई तो वो ऑटोमेटिकली कहेंगे हाँ आप जो बोल रहे हो वो तो ठीक है, बट मुझे भी दिख रहा है कि हाउ इट इज. सो दैट इज देयर अबाउट द कॉन्फिडेंस एंड एक्सपोजर. Another thing that I feel is like very important, and that is our USP, is the way we work with the clients. So I have worked for almost 12 and a half years now. It sounds like a very, very long time. It feels also very long. But the good part is that उन 12 सालों में I have worked with almost 5,500 or 600 brides. So more than 5,000 brides. And उन हर एक bride के साथ I have made sure that I have made a relationship. Okay. So it's not just कि वो client है. You know, it's not just a name. उन्होंने booking advance किया, आपने उनका makeup करा और काम खत्म. No, it's a lot more than that. So the client should also feel like that. तो अगर आप 10 लोगों के साथ काम कर रहे हो और वो 10 लोग आपके साथ इतने हैप्पी हैं कि साहिबा यस शी वाज वेरी लाइक स्वीट, शी वाज लिसनिंग टू व्हाट आई वांटेड. उन्होंने बस ये नहीं कर दिया कि मेरे को तो प्रूव करना है कि मैं बहुत अच्छी मेकअप आर्टिस्ट हूँ. क्लाइंट कहता है मुझे स्मोकी नहीं करना, आप कहते हो नहीं मैं बहुत अच्छा स्मोकी आई करती हूँ, मैं तो स्मोकी आई करूँगी. या क्लाइंट सेज आई डोंट लाइक रेड लिप्स,
यू आर लाइक
ऑफ कोर्स इट इज देयर फेस, सो यू कांट से नहीं मैं तो रेड लिप्स ही करूँगी, आपके आउटफिट के साथ वही अच्छा लगेगा. You cannot do that.
It's a mutual setup.
Yes, right. Yes. So you have to meet halfway. You are a makeup artist. Of course, you will have a suggestion, but you are the client. You know what you like on yourself.
Right.
कई clients हैं जो कहते हैं कि खुला हाथ ये मैं ये आउटफिट पहन रही हूँ, ये मेरे कलर कॉम्बिनेशन है, ये ज्वेलरी है, आपको जो सजेस्ट करना है यू डू इट. दैट इज द बेस्ट केस सिनेरियो फॉर अ
Yes.
मेकअप आर्टिस्ट, बिकॉज यू फील के चलो you'll obviously do what is best
Yes.
for you, for the client,
Right.
according to you. But it's always best to listen to the client. And aajkal I think the brides are very organized. They're very clear in their head. उनको पता है कि कौन से लहंगा कलर्स ट्रेंडिंग हैं, उनको एंट्री पे क्या करना है, किस टाइप का मेकअप चाहिए, हेयर में फ्लावर्स लगाने हैं, सीस पट्टी चाहिए या माथा पट्टी चाहिए.
They are well informed already.
Yes, I think again in the last 10 years the exposure level has changed, the variety has
Yeah, I
changed.
was about to ask this कि अभी के सिनेरियो में और लास्ट 10 साल में अगर मैं कंपेयर करूँ तो कैसा है द डिफरेंस बिटवीन द both
in the
scenarios?
industry or with like my
No,
work?
wedding makeup industry में.
In the industry, of course, like I feel like the wedding industry is booming and will always get bigger, better. अब आप देख रहे हैं अंबानी wedding is happening.
Yes.
And the entire world has come to a standstill to see किसने क्या पहना है and कौन आ रहा है जा रहा है, and their decor and their picks and drops and what I'm saying, outfits and their makeups and their jewelry. So there is no end to it at all. Also, I feel after COVID, people have realized that life is short. Extravagant karo,
It was a
sab kuch
push
karo.
kind of thing.
Yes.
Yeah.
So those intimate weddings are there, but agar intimate weddings bhi hain, people are spending. So in the last 10 years, if I say it in a nutshell, wedding industry is booming and it will continue to boom. From makeup perspective or my transition in the last 10 years, what has happened is that again, as I said, experience and how you evolve with the times, your products may change, your style of working may change. I don't necessarily say कि जो trend में है वो करो, because especially अगर आप wedding industry में bridal makeup वगैरह कर रहे हैं, so I think it's better to make it timeless. So that जो bride अभी मेकअप कर रही है, it should not be कि ये trending था तो मैंने ये करा.
और 10 साल पहले ऐसा था.
Yes.
तो अभी हम देखते हैं तो the looks are very conventional, ऐसे लगता है. There's a huge difference. वो trends में हम we can distinguish कि कितना फर्क है.
So it's better to do timeless. That's what even I feel.
Beautiful.
So that when कपल का 10th एनिवर्सरी है और वो अपनी वेडिंग एल्बम खोल के बैठे हैं, तो she should not say, oh my god, उस टाइम तो ये था, but look at me, I look so tacky.
It seems horrible sometimes.
Yes,
yeah.
But I think it should be like definitely natural. Of course, आप मेकअप करा रहे हैं, so it should it should enhance your features. But it should not look like like a costume setup, get up. You should feel like yourself. That is very, very important.
Saba, you started off with fashion shoots and events, right? As you said.
Yes.
What is the difference? दोनों industries में काम करने में क्या फ़र्क है? वेडिंग में जैसे अभी आप वेडिंग मेकअप्स का अभी आपने you steered away to that. तो दोनों में what is the difference?
See, there is pros and cons, and also I think creativity level point of view में there is a very big difference. So, for example, in weddings, maybe like how you do a traditional bridal look, a lot of it is inspired from Sabyasachi, the flat hair, kajal eyes, like kohl eyes, and subtle makeup, or the way Alia and Katrina, as I said, what is trending. But those are natural things which will look good later on as well. But when it comes to a shoot, which is a fashion shoot, you can, I think, use up your juices, your creative juices. So, you can do like a graphic eyeliner, you can do those pink purples and all that, and really have fun. But again, as a makeup artist, I don't think a lot of times it's completely in your hands. So if you're doing a shoot with a designer, for example, again the designer is your client. So they will already have a mood board. उनका एक ऑलरेडी विजन होएगा कि ये मेरे कपड़े हैं, या अगर कोई ज्वेलरी ब्रांड है कि ये मेरी ज्वेलरी है. सो यू वांट दैट ज्वेलरी टू स्टैंड आउट, और यू वांट द क्लोथ्स टू स्टैंड आउट, सो यू विल हैव टू डू द मेकअप अकॉर्डिंग टू दैट. बट कई ब्यूटी शूट्स में जैसे इट्स जस्ट फोकस्ड ऑन मेकअप एंड इट्स अ फैशन शूट और एन एडिटोरियल, यू कैन हैव अ लॉट मोर फन. Like, you know, you can do, I'm sure the photographers would also agree, they will do like a fun red light in the back, yeah, you know, give
Okay.
that blue sort of glow. आप वो सब fashion shoots में कर सकते हैं. You can't do too much in the wedding.
Right.
But the good part is, again, off late, जैसे bridal, like a wedding makeup you're doing, so you have like the शादी का दिन, which is the night, like night or the morning wedding, and then you have like a cocktail or a sangeet and all
Yes.
that. And then you have a mehndi.
Yeah.
So if suppose we are doing a mehndi makeup, आजकल we are doing a lot of fun looks for the mehndi. Like, you know, we will
Yeah.
put like little butterflies,
Yeah.
हम colorful gota के साथ braids, थोड़े थोड़े like a bohemian style, or you incorporate some colors in the eye makeup. So I feel कि you can still have a little fun, but ये basic difference is there. Second is, which is a very important thing if you are a makeup artist, with a fashion shoot or an editorial, I don't think you get paid as well as you do in a wedding industry or when you're doing bridal makeup. But again, उसका pro is that, but the con is that अगर आप कोई shoot कर रहे हैं editorial या fashion, उसके साथ you get an association, you get a credit कि आपने इस fashion designer के साथ काम करा है या इस magazine के साथ काम करा है. So that's why I said it's a little bit of both. Like in the wedding industry, it's more seasonal. It's like, you know, you have your 5-6 months which is like really, really busy.
Yeah.
So one can actually balance it out. Those 5-6 months you just do weddings, and then the other 4-5 months which are like, you know, summertime where there's not too many weddings
Yes.
happening, then you can focus on the fashion shoots. So one
But
can balance it
as
out.
you said, Sahiba, that वो payment वाला जो part है, that's weak in fashion shoots. Do you think it needs to be changed? It should be changed.
I don't know, because I can't say, yeah, you know, like the thing is that if it's a very good magazine, by good I mean some magazines which have a very, very big reach, or some fashion designers who are very popular and very established, अगर वो आपको credits दे रहे हैं, which it's an amazing thing.
Okay.
So that's why I said it's equivalent to getting paid, you know, really well.
Okay.
So you have to really figure out what it is and at which level you are at your work.
And what do you
Because-
want?
Yes,
Okay.
exactly. So agar Sephora reaches out to you, or some, like, you know, some makeup brand reaches out and they want to do a collaboration. Now there's so many people and influencers and beauty
Yeah.
bloggers, and they all work on collaboration. So sometimes they don't get paid, right? So it's the same thing, but they
Okay.
will get recognition. So as long as you are getting recognition, I think that is very important. So you have to choose आपको how you want to come across to the world. कि आपको कैसे, like you want to come across as के ये, you know, सिर्फ wedding industry में काम करती हैं, या इनके साथ तो सारे wedding या सारे makeup brands collaborations करते हैं. So it depends on, like, you know, how you want to get portrayed.
Right. Sahiba, what according to you is the definition of soft skills, and how important is it in
Soft
any
skills.
business? Yeah.
By soft skills you mean dealing with people?
Yes.
Okay. So
Dealing with people, generating leads,
Yes.
you know, and talking to them,
yeah.
leaving your impression, all of that.
I think any business, when it comes to you cannot survive alone, right? It's an interactive environment, because yeah, you are getting something from somebody, or you're providing something to someone. So I do a lot of workshops. I do self makeup workshops, and I also do professional makeup workshops.
Oh, that's interesting.
Yes. And the good part, and slightly again different from other makeup artists, is that I don't do like a big class of 50.
Okay.
And I'll tell you why. Because I feel कि अगर 50 लोगों ने बैठ के मुझसे मेकअप सीखना होता, तो it's the same thing as watching a YouTube tutorial.
Yeah.
Because, you know, you can pause it, see it, ask questions, and, like, you know, whatever. But अगर आप suppose you, Monica, alone are sitting with me and you say कि साहिबा मुझे ना सिर्फ 2-3 बेसिक चीज़ें लर्न करनी है, and imagine you with 10 other people sitting. तो आपकी जो apprehensions होंगी, suppose you say कि मेरे को contouring सीखनी है, मेरा cheekbone ऐसे है, how do you think, you know, it'll get highlighted, and there are 10 other people. I will teach you something which is very generic, right? Which will work for everybody. कि आपके भी आप ऐसे करेंगे, contour will work, jaw पे भी, you know, cheekbone. But if you and maybe one other person, so it's a personalized self makeup workshop, you will learn a lot more. Because आपकी speed makeup learn करने की और apply करने की different है, बाकियों की different है. So I do that specialized workshops, and then I do professional workshops. Professional में भी I don't do a big batch, because I want to be able to teach you कि आप, as I'm coming to the soft skills, के how do you deal with the clients, how do you keep your kit, how is your body language, so it gets very very detailed. So again, if I have a big class, I won't be able to see each one कि वो ऐसे पकड़ के क्लाइंट का सिर्फ ऐसे ऐसे कर रहे हैं या उनको पोलाइटली बोल रहे हैं लुक अप लुक डाउन. सो यू नो दोज लिटिल थिंग्स
unspoken differences,
very very big differences. So the client is not going to say कि आप मेरा ऐसे करके face left right क्यों कर रहे हो.
But he gonna feel something definitely about
yes,
it. Yeah.
If they are feeling comfortable, if they are feeling कि like कि you are treating them properly, the way the body language is. अब I'll give you an example. When me or my team, we are starting makeup, the first thing we do is sanitize our hands. Okay, so you take the sanitizer and you sanitize the hands. I have told them कि जब आप client के सामने मेकअप शुरू कर रहे हैं, आप literally अपना हाथ ऐसे लेंगे और आप उनसे बात कर रहे हैं about the outfit or the clothes or whatever your makeup look. You're taking the sanitizer and बात करते करते you are doing this. Now what is the difference? आप unconsciously client को दिखा रहे हैं कि yes I am sanitizing my hands.
Okay.
It's not just हाँ जी साफ करा and makeup start करा. So it's a very small thing, but it makes a very big difference. Then, as I said, how to keep your brushes clean and to tell the client, case I have the brushes are clean. This is what I do with the products. Every client will not ask, but you are building that confidence again with them. उनको होएगा कि okay, yeah. Another thing, I always make sure कि suppose somebody calls me and inquires, me or my team will tell them हम ये offer करते हैं. वो बोलेंगे कि नहीं अच्छा हमने नहीं पूछा, हमें सिर्फ चार्जेस पता करने हैं. 90% फोन कॉल इज दिस कि व्हाट आर योर चार्जेस, राइट? दैट्स इट. दे आर नॉट आस्किंग अबाउट आपने कैसे
एनी एडिशनल डिटेल्स,
एनीथिंग. सो वी विल मेक श्योर कि if I'm saying XYZ is what we charge, we will be providing HD makeup, we provide hairdo, we do draping, we do false lashes, we do nail paint, we do bindis, we do colored contacts. And then they'll say, अच्छा हाँ colored contacts, हाँ वो तो मैंने सोचा नहीं था. But you are letting them know कि हम ये offer कर रहे हैं इस पैकेज में, ताकि आपको समझ आ जाए कि ये चार्जेस इतने हैं, because हम ये सब ऑफर कर रहे हैं, सब मेकअप आर्टिस्ट नहीं करते. So that is our way of letting them know. You know, otherwise people will just take it for granted.
And it gives an impact.
Yes,
a very
definitely,
big impact.
Definitely.
Okay.
Yes, yeah.
साहिबा, इस इंडस्ट्री में, मेकअप इंडस्ट्री में काम करने के कुछ challenges हैं क्या? Do you feel this?
Definitely. I think again that applies to any industry, right?
Yeah.
There is always again something or the other. But मेरे को weddings में personally ये लगता है, because I come from, like my father is not from the army background, but if you see him or you meet him, you will think that he is like a colonel or a brigadier, because he has instilled a lot of qualities in me and the family. So one of them was time, and like respecting time and being very very punctual. And again, I can vouch for it. As I said, 5,000 plus brides I've worked with, I have made sure each and every bride of mine has been ready on time or before time. So we are very very punctual and very we respect that. Now what happens is, we do that, my team will be there, setup will be done. Your question was
the challenges.
It has happened sadly कि कई बार, and I don't blame them, कई बार उनके घर पूजा हो रही होती है, कई बार चूड़ा हो रहा होता है which went on or something or the other in the makeup because of the bride sometimes. So that I feel really bad for. But again, it's their day. I have learned with experience कि in any hospitality service, when you're offering to someone, in any industry, like any work like that, you know for a fact that you'll have to smile and your client, you have to make sure that your client is happy. So कई बार it happens that my team is frustrated, like so timing is one, which is like the bride is running late or she's stuck in traffic and we are just sitting waiting, that happens. Sometimes it's happened that even if, like, I like to talk to my clients before, which is हम कई बार 6 महीने पहले कंसल्टेशन करते हैं. So जैसे अगर अभी हम जुलाई में हैं और वेडिंग दिसंबर या जनवरी में है, once the booking is confirmed, I am there for consultation. तो आप मेरे को कुछ भी पूछना है, about your eyebrow shape, your skin, dentist के पास जाना है या नहीं, hair color करना है या नहीं, I am there to help with everything. So when we have the consultation, द ब्राइड नॉर्मली टेल्स मी कि हमने क्या क्या हेयर स्टाइल कराने हैं या मेरी मॉम ने क्या हेयर स्टाइल कराने हैं, एंड देन वी फिगर इट आउट. वी डू दिस टू सेव टाइम. बट इट हैपन्स कि आपने जब आउटफिट पहना, ज्वेलरी पहनी, यू सेट के पहले हम पोनी करेंगे, फिर उस दिन आपने कहा नहीं, पोनी इज नॉट सूटिंग, ओपन हेयर करते हैं.
Okay.
फिर ओपन हेयर करके यूर लाइक नहीं, दिस इज ऑल्सो नॉट नाइस, कर्ल्स चेंज कर दो. I feel it's okay because it's your day. But it happens that sometimes my team will look at me and they'll say, 2 बारी हेयर स्टाइल चेंज कर चुके हैं, 2 घंटे लग चुके हैं, now what do they want, like, but you have to be patient, like there is no way out. So those are like a few challenges कि even after being very organized, it's like, कई बार you meet some clients who are little indecisive, but it is very very important to be patient. It's very important to have a smile on your face, because अगर वो client already hassled हैं, स्ट्रेस्ड आउट हैं, शादी के फंक्शंस हैं, और फिर उनको समझ नहीं आ रहा हेयर क्या कराएं, और फिर आप उनको बोल दो सॉरी हमने लाइक हमारा टाइम अप हो गया या हमने कहीं और जाना है, आपके हमने हेयर यही डिसाइड करा था. यू कांट बी रूड. दैट इज देयर फॉर श्योर.
Sahiba, you have to evolve at every step to let your business evolve.
Yes.
So in your case, in your journey of 12 years, कौन सी एक ऐसी चीज़ है जिसमें you have been very consistent, which helped your business evolve?
So I feel the product quality, the comfort, all that has been very very important. As I said before, you change with the times, or there's something new that comes and you're like, okay, let me try that because that will be better for the client. For example, when the Alia Bhatt and the Katrina Kaif looks came, I was very happy with their wedding makeup looks because it was very natural, it was beautiful, stand out, yet nothing was standing out, everything was looking very pretty, so I love that. So inspired from that, there were a lot of times and it happens before also, it happens now as well, that कई clients कहते हैं कि मुझे lashes का effect चाहिए, but मुझे वो feeling अच्छी नहीं लगती कि ना eye पे कुछ लगा के eyes get very droopy, right? It happens. या आपको mentally पता है अगर हल्की lash भी लगी हो, you know कि वो यहाँ से यहाँ तक stuck है, तो every time you blinking, you will remember.
And sometimes it gets detached also. It happens.
With me in 12 years, it's never happened.
Okay.
None of my lashes ever come off.
Yeah.
So,
but it's the feeling with the client. It may get detached.
Yeah. Nahi, I have entered people's parties and they are the hosts and they've got ready by some XYZ people, and the first thing I've said is your lash is coming off. So any client of mine who has got ready by me, unki aaj tak lash has not come off till the time they don't take it off. So that is a given. But yes, talking about false lashes, there is one thing that I do which is, I think, not done a lot. So it is again one of my USPs. So we work with individual lashes. Now individual lashes क्या होते हैं? एक होता है full band, full lash, एक होता है half lash, which you normally put outside corners. Then होते हैं individual lashes, which are literally जैसे आप lash extensions करवाते हैं तो वो कहीं कहीं add करते हैं. So I keep those in different lengths. So वो 8 mm, 10 mm, 12 mm, 14 mm different lengths में आते हैं. Now the good part with that is it feels light. अगर suppose आपने ऊपर eyeliner भी नहीं लगाया हुआ तो lash the way it is put, वो आपकी lashes के बीच में lash line पे लगता है.
Very well blended.
So obviously it comes with practice कि हर एक का angle ऐसे है, वो टेढ़ा मेढ़ा नहीं होना चाहिए, छोटे से बड़ा how you put the placement वो दोनों eyes की same होनी चाहिए. So the pro is that it looks very natural. Another very good point is कि it's up to you आपको कितना dense करना है. So one thing is that it's very natural. Second thing is कि it's up to you आपको कितना dense करना है. That means कि आपको बहुत heavy करना है तो आप maybe 10 इधर लगाएंगे, फिर you can add more 5. It's all up to you. The only bad part is that it takes a little bit longer because आप यहाँ पे ऐड कर रहे हैं, फिर आप यहाँ पे ऐड कर रहे हैं, फिर आप बैलेंस आउट कर रहे हैं, instead of sticking one lash at one time. But that's another thing that a lot of makeup artists don't do. ये भी मेरे काफ़ी hair stylists जो इधर उधर I have some hair stylists who are freelancers, like they work with other makeup artists as well. तो उन्होंने मुझे बोला है मैम आप जो ये करते हैं ना इसमें एक तो बहुत पेशेंस चाहिए और दूसरा हमने ये किसी और मेकअप आर्टिस्ट को करते हुए नहीं देखा.
Because it's time taking.
Yes, yeah. But I think it's very underrated because उससे जो इफेक्ट आता है लैशेस का it's really beautiful. And the best part is जो क्लाइंट है वो every blink में उनको याद ही नहीं रहेगा कि उन्होंने लैशेस लगाए हुए हैं. So you know half the time you feel that heaviness and मेरे को कितनी बारी like you know the clients will say कि हमारी eyes ना droopy हो गई. You know lashes लगाते ही ऐसे लग रहा है आंखें बंद हुई खुल ही नहीं रही हैं. But जब when you put the individual lashes, it's like it looks beautiful. You feel that your eye is still open, and it's totally up to you. So that is something that we do a lot.
Wow, I can imagine the effect you're talking about. Wow, great. जो ये philosophy हम बोलते हैं कि your life will be the way you will create it.
Yes.
Is it true or is it possible for everyone out there?
See, definitely what you create is in your hands. आज मैं आपके साथ बैठ के यहाँ पे बात कर रही हूँ. It was my choice, right? I agreed to it. I can say कि I don't want to. So every single thing that you do is your choice. So technically, one should not blame it on anyone, but only you are the one who can make anything happen. But to wrap it up, I always feel that you should do what you love. That is the most important thing. मैं कई बार for a 3 o'clock morning flight I will get up very चिड़चिड़ के like ओ एयरपोर्ट जाना है जल्दी उठो. बट अगर मेरी सुबह साउथ इंडियन ब्राइड है एंड कई होती हैं जो जिनको 6 o'clock तक रेडी होना होता है तो वी स्टार्ट मेकअप एट 3. इमेजिन आवर वर्किंग आवर्स आर 3 AM to 6 AM. बट आई विल डू दैट विद अ स्माइल ऑन माई फेस. Maybe 6:30 I'll get tired and I'll be like okay I'm done. But 3 बजे सुबह भी आप मेरे को उठा के या 5 o'clock in the morning हम encourage brides करते हैं.
Yes.
So I'll do it with a smile. So जब तक you don't do what you are loving, you are enjoying it. Another thing I'll tell you, which is not a lot of people know, but I cannot work without music. So मेरा मेकअप सेटअप हो रहा होता है, हम रिंग लाइट लगाते हैं, चेयर सेटअप करते हैं. Instantly, either on my phone or I have a small speaker, wherever, or my laptop, I'll put music. As soon as the music is there, there is, calmness in the air. I can work at ease because technically it is art, right? It is like painting a canvas. The canvas is my face. So jab tak I'm not in a very good mood, mellow, then I make sure that my clients are also in a good mood because they're more relaxed. So I make sure I do that. So again, all that is adding to that energy of enjoying what you do. And no one else will tell you कि you're enjoying what you do or not.
Yes,
and
you have to
money
figure
will
it
follow.
out.
Yeah, success will follow, money will follow.
Yeah.
And I do believe in manifestation or even actualization. It is more than manifestation because आप जब तक clearly उस vision की तरफ नहीं जाओगे तो how will the universe know what you want?
Right.
You have to tell the universe. That quotation, ask and it is given. So if you don't ask, it won't be given.
Yes.
So it's very important to ask.
So you mentioned this money thing और वहाँ से मुझे एक point याद आया साहिबा. Most of people, ये conception है लोगों के बीच में कि it's not easy to get started with a business without money. How true is it?
I think I will not say that you can start with zero money, but definitely there are people who even take a loan and start off. So you're starting negative in a way if you look at it. But as I said, if you start off, बाकी जो factors हैं, which is as I said, your experience, exposure. Experience and exposure is there everywhere and it's available for free also. Suppose you can't enroll in a very expensive course. बट आप ऑनलाइन लर्न तो कर सकते हो. जो आपने लर्न कर रहा है उसको आप प्रैक्टिस तो कर सकते हो. You have your sisters, your cousins, उनके friends, they'll be your aunts, anybody, your buas, masis, anyone. So you can start practicing on that. So अगर मेरे को कोई बोले कि oh I can't, that means के you are not putting in any effort. फिर तो आप you're just giving up very very quickly. Building up again makeup artist point of view, building up a kit. Some people might say कि हमारे पास तो we don't have enough money to start a kit. Don't have, as I said, don't have 5 palettes. Have one basic eyeshadow palette. Don't have lashes which are 500 or 1000 or 2000 rupees. Start with the lashes which are 50 rupees. So
Right.
you know, that's up to you. Again, I'm not saying have lesser like a quality. The quality should be good. Start with a Lakme, with a Maybelline. Start with any of the basic. Krylon has amazing palettes which are smaller in quantity and उसमें काफी सारे shades हैं. And you know, for the color correction, for your foundation, you don't have to buy big bottles like, you know, 3,000. No, you don't.
You can
have
start
to.
small.
Yes.
Yeah.
So, and what happens is start with the basic thing, do a few clients. You know how any business works. Then you invest the money back. Then you know, you again add to it. You don't have to start with a ring light. Start with like a small light, like lamp. You get like lamps like this,
Yes.
which are clip-on lamps. I still remember right in the beginning. I don't think उस time मैंने ring lights भी to go नहीं थे. Studio setup was there, but I remember having a clamp-on lamp. So
Yeah.
you know, you evolve. You make your business better by slowly investing back into it. So you don't have to start big. So it's like, again, start with like a small step. And
Yeah.
then take a call, decide it for yourself, and you know, then you'll just like, you know, follow through.
Wonderful. साहिबा, इन योर जर्नी कोई बैरियर या ब्लॉकेज आपको कभी लगा कि हाँ दिस इज़ द बैरियर फॉर मी, दिस इज़ द ब्लॉकेज, और वो आपके आड़े आता रहा एंड विच यू ओवरकेम ओवर द टाइम? कुछ ऐसा था आपके साथ?
I think maybe to do with again makeup artists' point of view. One thing is to get like a very good team, a team that you can trust, because ये काफ़ी लोगों के साथ भी हुआ है that आपका काम है, आपकी clients है, आपने उनका makeup करा हुआ है, but other people will just take a screenshot and वो अपने Instagram या you know कहीं पे online लगा देंगे and to show that it's their work. So it's something like that, and it still happens. आपको पता भी नहीं चलेगा, you know, if there's somebody new coming up and they're using your pictures. So that happens a lot, which is very sad. All you can do is block and report and all that. Second is finding a very good team that you can work with, जिनको आप trust कर सकते हैं. नहीं तो वो भी होता है कि like, you know, the team is getting in touch with the client and they try to get the clients to themselves, and you know what I mean, कि they'll start you know, their own work. They'll say, oh no, no need to contact the main person, आप मेरे से directly काम करा लो. So that happens. Again, you can't do anything about it. That's why I said आपका काम, आप like your work will speak for yourself. अगर आपका काम इतना अच्छा है तो वो तो कहीं और जाएंगे ही नहीं, right? तभी मेरे को पिक्चर्स का भी ये लगता है कि there are people who put up edited pictures. I feel कि ठीक है, ये तो pictures are on Instagram, but half of my clientele is people उनकी family में मैंने काम करा हुआ है. So it doesn't matter what Instagram is, but they'll say no, my cousin did, you know, you did the makeup for my cousin. उनको तो मैंने in person देखा हुआ है, तो मेरे को pictures देखनी ही नहीं है, you know. So the portfolio doesn't matter. So that's why I said your work should speak for itself. That's very important. Once it does, you know, you don't have to defend yourself. Then it's very like, you know, and you have to reach that point. So that exposure level, confidence building is very important. Apart from that, I feel barrier as such, though I don't think there was anything that I had to overcome again and again. But as I said, हाथ पैर मारना बहुत ज़रूरी है.
To be consistent.
या नहीं तो आप बोलोगे कि काम ही नहीं आ रहा, काम ही नहीं आ रहा. काम क्यों नहीं आ रहा? Because आप किसी को बता नहीं रहे, बात नहीं कर रहे. आप जब तक एक जगह बैठे रहोगे तो काम कैसे आएगा?
And this is a problem. बहुत लोगों के साथ, they have talent, they have everything, but they are not endeavoring.
Yeah. I feel unko they should, if they're what they should do is work under somebody's shadow, like become somebody's assistant. If they are again good, you know, other makeup artists or hairstylists will not mind. They'll say okay, yeah, come assist us. That is a very good way. Like there are a few people जिनको मैंने professional makeup सिखाया, and then they were working with me as a shadow, in the sense कि, you know, again as I said, they're not doing the makeup on the client, but वो मेरे साथ खड़े हैं, तो उनको दिख रहा है कि मैं अपना काम करते हुए अपने पैलेट्स कैसे लेफ्ट राइट कर रही हूँ, ब्रशेस को वापस कैसे रख रही हूँ, क्लाइंट से कैसे बात कर रही हूँ, मेरा बॉडी लैंग्वेज कैसे है. सो दे विल लर्न ऑल दिस बाय, यू नो, by exposure, as I said, and different kinds of exposure. चाहे वो celebrity level हो, या वो bridal हो, या वो shoots के लिए हो, but it's very, that's, I think that is,
Team building के कुछ tips क्या हो सकते हैं? Team building, as you said, that it was something that you could do.
team building के लिए I think it's all trying and testing because
Okay.
you'll have to like for me as I said my one of the very very important things for me is relationship building with my client as I said that before and it's very important so मेरे को ये लगता है कि जो मेरी team है that should also reflect that so I would want somebody in my team who's very sweet to talk to the clients मैंने आपको फ़ोन पे पहले मेंशन करा था एक बारी हम वेडिंग मेकअप ब्राइडल मेकअप कर रहे थे एंड एक फोटोग्राफर की टीम थी दे वर 5-6 ऑफ देम एंड नॉर्मली ये होता है कि जैसे आपने ब्राइडल का मेकअप कर लिया वो कहेंगे अभी लिपस्टिक मत लगाना बिंदी मत लगाना लेट्स टेक अ फ्यू मोर पिक्चर्स फिर आप ना दुपट्टा वगैरह लास्ट में कर देना
Okay.
इफ टाइम परमिट्स 90% टाइम यूर लाइक ओके शो बट इफ यू आर रनिंग लेट और आपने भी आगे कहीं जाना है यूर लाइक नो आई एम सॉरी बट लाइक मेरा मेकअप मेरे को खत्म करना है एंड यू नो इट्स बिटवीन द फोटोग्राफर एंड द मेकअप आर्टिस्ट द ब्राइड हैज नथिंग टू डू विद इट बट द ब्राइड विल से समटाइम्स कि मेरे को भी बिहाइंड द सीन पिक्चर्स चाहिए एंड ऑल दैट सो दिस वन फोटोग्राफर मैंने कहा ऑफ कोर्स you know I said pictures are very important I'll also get them but it's the bride's day I said please take your time तो उन्होंने उनकी पिक्चर्स लेनी शुरू कर दी उन्होंने दुपट्टा बोला आगे थोड़ा सा पकड़ो एंड ये वो लाइट चेंज कर रहे हैं एंड ऑल दैट फिर ना उन्होंने मेरी तरफ टर्न करके ही सेड आई मस्ट से you are so patient and you are so nice that you are letting us work and वो stress नहीं है कि हमें जल्दी 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 shoot
Otherwise, in most the cases, it's first meets first meet.
yes so you know the bride also was laughing because she says see ये मेरी photographer team मेरे makeup artist को compliment कर रही है and I recorded it because it was such a cute thing and I said of course you work so you know that's why I said it's important for me now imagine if I have a hairstylist who says मैं कह रही हूँ फोटोग्राफर को टेक योर टाइम एंड वो कह रहा है कि नहीं नहीं मुझे जाना है जल्दी से करो सो इट व्हाट इट डज इज वो जो पीसफुल सिचुएशन बन रही है उसको डिस्टर्ब करता है राइट सो आई दैट्स व्हाई आई टोल्ड माय टीम प्लीज बी स्वीट स्माइल अगर कुछ मेरे से बात करनी है अलग से बात करनी है इन फ्रंट ऑफ द क्लाइंट और इन फ्रंट ऑफ द फोटोग्राफर एंड ऑल दैट you know it has to be a fun experience
So all in all you are saying your team should have the same traits that you represent
of course because they're representing me
yes
right they're representing my brand so that's why every draping that we do again it's happened किसी ने साड़ी ड्रेपिंग करा रही है एंड वो कह रहे हैं साड़ी ड्रेपिंग हो गई क्लाइंट ने भी कहा हाँ हो गया एंड आई विल से कि दिस इज नॉट ओके एंड द ड्रेपिंग पर्सन विल आल्सो लुक एट मी कि क्लाइंट तो कह रहा है ठीक है आप क्यों कह रहे हो बिकॉज आई थिंक आई हैव OCD आई डोंट नो बट अगर मेरे को लगे कि कोई प्लीट नहीं थी क्या यू नो टीका इन द सेंटर फॉर मी इज सच एन इम्पॉर्टेंट थिंग हम 10 बार ही चेक करते हैं कि पार्टिंग सेंटर में है टीका सेंटर में है वो स्टिक हो गया है प्रॉपरली लाइक again those are my like you know the details which I am
your inputs.
checking yes जो details मतलब bride will not it won't make a difference or she won't even know but जब तक I am not 100% satisfied head to toe so तभी my team also has to follow that so that's why it's very important so it is a little hit and trial like you know starting में कई team members you meet you're like okay I really love their work but अगर उनका जैसे work ethic या उनका स्टाइल ऑफ वर्किंग आपके स्टाइल ऑफ वर्किंग से मैच नहीं करता तो आप जितने भी अच्छे हों it won't work for a very long time.
Right.
So we have a really pretty studio in Surajkund, which is in Faridabad. We do obviously step out also. We do weddings, like makeups at the hotels. We do destination weddings and all that. But the good part about my studio is because we have a billiard table, we have beautiful stairs. So you know, a lot of times I make sure that brides pehle ready ho gayi time se, and then they take pictures around that area. So that comes out really.
So it's
nice.
a fun place.
Yes.
Okay.
Fun reminds me, I'll tell you something very funny. And there is a lot of incidents that keep happening. So there was one bride and her mother, and I think I'm sure उनके back-to-back functions चल रहे थे जैसे सबके होते हैं. The mother sat down in my chair and उनका हमने makeup करना शुरू करा and मैंने उनको बस बोला you know close your eyes and I was doing the rest of the face and एकदम से ना उनकी आंखें बंद हुई and she was like and I was like I felt so bad for her because I could tell that she is tired. हमने उनको shake करके बोला उठ जाओ and I started again. 2 minutes later, again she did that. So the bride said कि मम्मा उठो, makeup कराओ उठ के ठीक से. But she said मैं इतना थक गई हूँ. So it was like So a lot of times it happens.
Yeah,
Yes,
right.
yes, yeah. A lot of funny things happen.
So that's the funny part.
And on top of it, the stress about jewelry, your outfit. एक बारी हम makeup कर रहे थे in Mussoorie, and the entire family, everyone was from Dehradun. तो जैसे मैंने बोला कि हम normally bride से हमें पता होता है कि वो एक बारी हम makeup कर रहे थे in Mussoorie, and the entire family, everyone was from Dehradun. तो जैसे मैंने बोला कि हम normally bride से हमें पता होता है कि वो क्या पहन रहे हैं, jewelry and all that, just to start the hair. तो वो उनके सामान सारा कुछ अंदर आ रहे थे. आई थिंक सवॉय में या JP, वन ऑफ द टू वी वर स्टेइंग एट. एंड उनका जैसे ही मेकअप स्टार्ट करा तो आई जस्ट सेड कि ब्लाउज ऑल्सो यू कैन वेयर. शी सेज नहीं वो ना फ्रंट ओपन है या बैक ओपन है. शी सेड मैं बाद में पहनूंगी. सो आई लिटरली आई सेड नहीं, बस शो मी, बिकॉज कई बार पिक्चर में जो कलर्स होते हैं वो डिफरेंट होते हैं.
डिस्पैरिटी थोड़ी बहुत होती है.
यस, यू विल नॉट बिलीव, जस्ट बिकॉज आई आस्क्ड, उनका लहंगा था, उनका दुपट्टा था, उनकी सारी ज्वेलरी थी, और
blouse missing. Oh my god.
So the good part was because मैंने उनको like starting में ही पूछ लिया, and अभी 2 घंटे पहले था.
Actually,
they were able to call.
Otherwise it would have been such a blunder.
फिर देहरादून से उनका last में आया. Like everyone was ready. उनके it was such a, so things happen. And मतलब दुपट्टा नहीं भी हो, you can enter. मैंने कहा blouse का मैं क्या करूँ? As a makeup artist, I said sorry. I said there's certain things I can help with, certain things I can't help with.
Really?
So that also happens.
Great. In the end, my last question is, Sahiba, there are many people out there who are just not able to get started वाला उनके साथ हो नहीं पा रहा है. They have dreams, passion है, talent है, सब कुछ है, but they're just not able to get started. And it's even difficult with women because they have this added pressure of taking care of the family. और कई बार there is this gap. शादी के बाद बहुत बार gap हो जाता है career में. And then again उस loop से बाहर निकल के फिर से start करना मुश्किल है, हो जाता है for many women. What will you suggest? What will you say why they should get started?
Okay, अगर कोई ऐसा है, they can contact me. That is the best way. उनको बोले कि मेरे को phone पे बात करें, and then they can come meet me. I will definitely love to help them. Secondly, I feel again, अगर वो really करना चाहते हैं तो उनको कोई नहीं रोक सकता.
Okay,
they have to make up their mind. And again, I'll tell you a very good part about being a makeup artist. Suppose आपका क्रेजी वेडिंग सीजन चल रहा है, नवंबर दिसंबर जन फेब 4 महीने बुकिंग, मतलब क्रेजी, आई वोंट से बुकिंग्स हैं, बट क्रेजी वेडिंग सीजन है. अगर इट्स अप टू यू, इफ यू डोंट वांट टू टेक अ बुकिंग, यू कैन से नो. That's the best part. So when you're talking about keeping a balance between family and as you said household and all that, तो आप बहुत clearly कह सकते हैं कि मैं morning brides या morning makeups कर सकती हूँ, मेहंदी makeup कर सकती हूँ, संगीत makeups कर सकती हूँ, मैं इतने बजे तक available हूँ. You don't have to say कि मेरी family doesn't allow या I have kids at home. All you say is I'm not available.
Yeah, right.
So you start with working in the hours that work for you. So you start with do early morning brides, मतलब काम तो मैं वही कह रही हूँ ना, काम तो you have, it's endless. Shoots also, sometimes the shoots you will not believe they start at 6 in the morning. Again because उनको suppose morning rays से पहले या around that time models ready होनी चाहिए. तो the shoot makeup and hair will start पहले. Right? तो आप वो करो और उनको बोल दो कि 8-9 बजे के बाद मैं नहीं अवेलेबल हूँ, so it will work perfectly. And again, how you reach out to people, again because of Instagram, social media, photographers are there, designers are there. आपको all that you have to do is get in touch with them, and आप एक बारी करो, 2 बारी करो, 3 बारी करो, politely करो, वो 100% आपको कुछ ना कुछ काम देंगे. And I said, आप पहले पोर्टफोलियो बिल्डिंग के लिए डोंट लुक एट हाउ मच मनी यू आर गेटिंग पेड. फर्स्ट लुक एट कि मेरा एक्सपोजर लेवल इंक्रीज हो रहा है, मेरा कॉन्फिडेंस इंक्रीज हो रहा है, तो अगर उसके लिए मैं जाके काम कर रही हूँ, इट्स वर्थ इट. सो इट्स ऑल अबाउट रीचिंग आउट एंड वर्किंग. That's So nobody can stop you. Only yourself.
Lovely, Sahiba. Yes. So it was lovely talking to you.
Yeah, you too.
I am totally absorbed. I was totally involved in the conversation.
No, I'm happy.
Thank you so much for being the part of the show.
Thank you. Thank you for having me.
Thank you.
Thanks.